Hello everyone, good morning. It's really beautiful sunny day, sunny morning. Today I am the birthday girl. I become 30 years old. I kind of feel like getting 20 years old, except I'm smarter, healthier, more beautiful. I just ate my breakfast and watching YouTube. On Tuesdays usually I have really busy, I film videos, I edit or I finish my blog post, whatever. But obviously that I give myself kind of free day, not like completely. I'm going to cook, I think I'm going to little bit organize home, like make it more beautiful because I love to feel good at home on special days like this. And I want to make myself beautiful. And plus I do want to film one video because yesterday I got another PR from Yes Style and I want to film that video. Now the plan is on the weekend we are going to the beach and I think I'm going to include some just clips from there but not like really vlogging. I don't think I'm going to vlog. Now let's do some makeup. I want to do makeup. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you do first? Do you do makeup, hair and then dress up, or you do it somehow in other order? SPF cream first. I kind of have dirty hair to be quite honest, but okay. I will put on sleek concealer, light proof concealer. I also should finally wash my sponges. We are also maskless finally on streets. We don't need to wear it anymore. So that also gives me more motivation to apply some makeup. Revlon Color Stay Powder. Revlon, as far as I know, is not cruelty free, but I'm almost out of it. And I have an extra powder waiting for its turn from NYX. Physicians Formula. Before I went like cruelty free, I bought it already because I knew it's good and it's cruelty free. And now they decided that one is more important and they are not cruelty free anymore. Not buying from them anymore. Sleek Makeup Solstice highlighter palette. The best highlighter I have ever had. Beautiful, blinding, cruelty free. It's really weird from the window coming in light. I think you can see my face as good. The best brow secret is having an eyebrow gel. That's really has changed my life. I have mine from NYX. I think Benefit or Anastasia Beverly Hills has a really good one, but it's really expensive for an eyebrow gel. And then the most important part is to use my mascara. This is from Mio Cosmetics. I think it comes from Poland. It's cruelty free, but you cannot buy it in like every country. Now let's go on to hair. This will be more difficult part, especially that I don't know what to do with them because I kind of love and it's easier for me to straighten them at the same time. I want to practice to make better waves because I will go to the wedding in August and there will be no hairdresser for me to do my hair, so I will need to do it myself. I don't know. I want to be done with that one and start like kind of the rest of the day and plans that I have time lapse this one. I think it turned out great. Good enough. I will just brush a little bit. By the way, this is cruelty-free hairspray, Fuge Professional, Skyscraper Extra. Really good. I still don't understand how it smells, but it has like a really beautiful scent. Wanted something really bright for my walk outside, so I went with this highlighter kind of yellow top and black shorts that I ordered from Yes Style, so sneak peek already. There you can see Mocha spying on me as always. Planning to have like a small walk outside. It's the first time ever I tried the poop tape. I kind of did it, I made photos and videos and it feels weird. For me it looks weird. When I look in the mirror or in camera I feel like it looks great. I think I spent half of it already, which makes me sad. I was really annoyed when I started, it didn't work. Now I want to blow up these balloons and make some photos as I have this dress on already because I think I'm going to take it off. They are huge, they are way bigger than I thought. They should have something you put in here and they don't have it. Some kind of straw or something and they don't have the straw. Can I put any straw in? Guys, it worked. I just used my casual straw. That's so cute. Now we are about to be cooking. I have some lamb prepared like this. What does it say? I need to cut some holes in the lamb and stick some garlic in it. Hey guys, wanted to update you. I have been cooking while doing manicure, while watching YouTube video, while, where is it? My only decor. Drinking sangria. I just wanted to have a little bit more celebration. I need to add potatoes to the meat really soon. I kind of feel happy. I know one thing which I haven't done. Maybe I'll do it in the afternoon. But the thing is that I want to tell you is that first of all, birthday is like a new year. It's more important than a new year because it's actually like it's your day. It's written in the stars. It's your day. It's much more powerful. When, for example, everyone on New Year's or something like make a wish or like putting goals for the next year or something, actually it's much more powerful and stronger and meaningful to do it on your birthday for your next year, which is actually for you. In your planet, in galaxy, is actually your day and your year. That's just for all of you for your next birthdays. Don't forget to do that and put like kind of goals, and remember to not do like just like losing weight or gaining money. Actually put like goals how you're going to do that. Buy memberships to gym, for example, learn new recipes, and those should be like goals, like to your main goal and dream and result. That's my tip today as a 30-year-old. Wanted to show you how it looks like from above. 2 lamb legs, I guess you call them, and the potatoes, and then just going to put again back in the oven for 20 minutes. Hello guys, this is the Friday. We are finally ready to go to our beach vacation slash weekend getaway for my birthday. I've done a lot. It was a busy day, therefore I didn't even film anything. I thought I would obviously like film something, how I prepare stuff or anything, but it will be just too much. You can follow my TikTok, Instagram. I always put some clips and photos. First thing, obviously I did like hair and nails and all that, like shower. It's really hot today, so I decided to try out this top. It's like bikini top, but I bought it as like to use like as a normal top. I did some errands. I needed to order lunch. We ordered Chinese. Many times we do on days like this when we don't have time, so it's easier. And then I bought for my bunny some greens to leave her here because we are leaving her for 1 day. And now I wanted to just show what I always do when we before we travel. This is my bunny's house. Obviously, I leave her a lot extra high. Comment down below how you pronounce it. Extra water in the bowl and in the bottle. I will see if I find some good bowl. I will leave more because it will get really hot. I was doing some final job for this week on my YouTube as well. Here I bought some bread for lunch and prepared for our Chinese. We take always, well not always, on our beach kind of or camping trips we take fridge with us, like a fridge box. Then I usually throw out garbage, I wash all the dishes, and I close all the windows, all the doors, and many times I pull out all the like wires and cables. I want to show you for my bunny to be a little bit interesting and more time to get to her like treats. I put them like this in toilet rolls. And by the way, she's there. sleepy. And then I just wanted to show you what I packed. This is my new handbag, and then this backpack that my boyfriend gifted me, and it will just really help my shorter trips where I don't want to bring my big luggage. This bag is also usually too small, so it will help in those days like now. This is the best bag. I got it from Amazon. If you're interested, I will link it down below. It's for airport trips also. It's as a weekender bag, as a beach bag. I use it for literally everything. That's how I prepare usually for trips. Sometimes it's something more, sometimes it's something less, obviously, but usually it's like that. Now I'm definitely going to include some clips, some vibey kind of beach clips from our weekend, and I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned to check them out and just get in your summer mood, in pretty classic girl summer mood. Yeah, exactly like that. And enjoy, and we will see you next time. Bye!